Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Miss Watson here. I've decided to do some creative writing with you guys since it's been a while since we've done writing. The way that I want to do that today is by introducing you guys to a raft. So a raft is a writing activity that allows you to add more creativity to your writing, and it's presented to you in the form of a choice board. So RAFT stands for Role of the Writer. So who are you as you're writing? The A stands for Audience. To who are you writing? The F stands for the format in which you'll be writing. So are you writing a letter? Are you doing a diary entry? Are you writing a fictional story? And the T stands for topic. What is the subject or the point of this piece? You'll see here below that this is a water raft, which means we're going to be looking at different forms of water and writing from that role. In this chart, you'll see that our roles, we have rows for different roles in which we may choose to write. So the role may be a water droplet. The audience may be the general public. The format in which we're writing may be a fictional story. And the topic may be pretend that you are a water droplet. Write a fictional creative story about your journey over the course of 100 years. So you might want to tie some water cycle information into this. I do want you to be creative if this is the role that you choose. The second role that you have to choose from is the Head of Water Around the World Advocacy Group. Now for this, if you choose this role, your audience would be the government. The format in which you're writing would be a letter, and the topic is you are head of an advocacy group that provides children and families and communities around the world with the tools and education to develop sustainable water, hygiene, and sanitation solutions. Okay. Your third option you may choose to do is scientist. So you're writing from the role of a scientist. Your audience would be the general public. And again, your format is going to be a letter. So for this topic, you are a lead scientist in the profession who has been conducting research on water and its impact on the environment for 30 years. You're writing a letter to the president to brief him on the water crisis in hopes to do something about it, to converse water for the future. Okay, your next role you may choose to do is from the point of view of a 9-year-old child living in Africa. Now, this one's a little bit different because the audience would be yourself, and the format in which you are writing is in a diary. So let's look at the topic for this role. You are a 9-year-old child who lives in Africa and has very limited access to water. You have no running clean water, and your family must walk 2 miles just to get to a stream with clean water. So if you were that 9-year-old child living in Africa, this would be a diary entry discussing what that's like. How does that impact your life? You may want to do some further research to help you write this piece. And then your final option to choose from when completing this raft writing assignment is from the role of an author. Your audience would be children, and the format would be a children's book. So this could allow you to get a little more creative as far as drawing pictures. So you're a children's author who is passionate about water conservation. You decided to write a children's book to educate young children on the importance of water conservation and its effect on our planet. I hope this helped you guys understand how to complete a raft. Please let Ms. Watson know if you have any more questions. Thank you.